world is like you should have very strong communication skills and have lot of patience. Listen to others. When you are working in a team, basically we have to understand others' views also. It is not what I know and I want to impose all those things. We don't have patience right now. Do you agree with me? We lose patience very easily because the life is very fast. But we should understand only one thing. If you want to survive in the industry, if you want to grow in the industry, first you have to understand what others want. If you really want to be a leader, understand what others want here. Then put your opinion in that. To put your opinion, you have to have that kind of knowledge. Develop that knowledge. Automatically, people will listen to you when you have knowledge in your own field, when you have command over the language, automatically you will get the position. So to hold the position, you have to struggle a lot. So you cannot take things easily at all. So be focused. Be very focused what you want to do, what you want to be. So automatically you will hold the position. So work on it. It's very much necessary in the current world because competition is mounting, it is huge. So you have to be in the competition. If you really want your career to be very good, then you are the own creator of your job and your position. Nobody else. You are responsible for that. Work on it.
Definitely, ma'am. We'll strive for it. Yes, girls. What do you have to ask our panelists? There are so many challenges around. Maybe you don't find solutions to it. They are here to help us with the same.
Is everyone placed here?
No, ma'am.
No. How were the placements this year? Was it like you had the usual quota of companies coming?
Yes, ma'am. Even now, there are companies coming in. Depending on the academic aggregate that students are making and the RPs, so the filtering there is. So finally, some results are yet to come and some are placed. So there is continuous process. It's an action.
So, do you guys have any idea what you want to do if you don't get placed? Because it's not your ability that will give you your placements, right? There are a lot of other factors. So, you shouldn't feel, you should start planning right away. And it shouldn't matter whether you get placed or not. Sometimes not being placed is a good thing. It gives you the time to really choose.